Okay, good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Morning. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine,
Fine, ma'am.
Fine,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Fine.
And it's raining. Because of that, I think many
Good
voices
morning, ma'am.
cracking. Yes, breaking. It's raining and the power is not there. And so when we are using internet or Wi-Fi and inverter, I think some breaking of the voice is coming. Okay. So children, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now I will ask one by one. I will mute. Then if I say unmute, you have to unmute. Then only we can hear.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry.
Some house no sound coming.
I
So
just joined now.
ma'am.
one
It's
minute.
very rainy.
It's raining. That's everyone. Yeah,
Ma'am, I
raining.
just
That's why I
joined
think
now.
net will be slow sometimes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I just joined now.
Okay. Okay. We are just started. We are just starting. Okay. So, good morning, children. So, what we have discussed in the last class, Janvi, please unmute. Please unmute. Okay. What we are learning now?
Patterns.
Patterns. Can you say what you mean by pattern?
Arranging.
Arranging. It's an arrangement of.
Arrangement of.
It's an arrangement of. Have you written the notes? I have sent no the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
What's that arrangement of?
Tiles.
Tiles. Who can help? Aditi, can you please unmute? Now everyone is turning the pages. Last Friday, I think book. Yes, unmute Aditi. Please unmute. Mayuk, please unmute. Mayuk. I think you have already. Yes, can you say what's meant by patterns?
Yes, ma'am. An arrangement of figures or design in a certain way is called pattern.
An arrangement of. Here we are learning figures or designs, and we have learned number pattern also. Yes. So what's an? It's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. Certain way we have discussed now in the last class. Certain way means there will be some rule. Okay, after like maybe some patterns with squares and the circles. What will have? Two square, then one circle. Two square, then one circle. Maybe sometimes that pattern is like that. Okay, so children, I want children. Okay, Manav, what's that? Can you please unmute and speak? Please unmute and speak. Ah.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I was putting my books together.
Together. Okay. So what we were discussing, children, we have only 2 days in a week, no? Wednesday, then Friday. So what we are learning on Friday, after 3-4 days, just revise before the class. Okay. Okay, children. So what we are discussing what mean by pattern. So what you Mayuk said that correctly. What's that pattern? Patterns means it's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. And we have discussed natural pattern. Can you say, Glenn, can you please unmute and speak? What are the different types of patterns we have discussed? Please unmute. Oh, again. We have discussed two different types. Natural and
Artificial.
artificial. Okay, natural and artificial. Okay, Srihari, please unmute.
Okay. Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, can you
Yes.
hear me?
We have discussed what Yes. What do you mean by patterns? Patterns in our arrangement. So we have discussed two different types of patterns. Yes. One is
artificial.
Siddhi can't open your video. Is there any? I think maybe some network issue because there is raining over there. Yes, Siddhi. I think Siddhi is not able to on video. Okay, maybe some network issue because it's raining. Okay, so Srihari discussing about natural patterns and artificial patterns. Natural and artificial patterns. And you know what is natural patterns? Yes, it's
Patterns
in the nature we can find
in nature.
and see in the nature. Okay, then we have discussed what you mean by artificial patterns, that man-made patterns. They are called artificial. So we have discussed what's that, and we have also discussed what is number patterns. Number patterns also, it's a sequence of numbers following certain rule. Children, can you hear me properly? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So number patterns means it's a sequence of numbers following certain rule. And we have discussed two different types of patterns, finite and infinite.
Finite patterns.
What do you mean by finite? Izan, can you say please? What do you mean by finite?
Patterns
Felix,
that end after a few terms.
Okay, patterns that end after a few terms. And what do you mean by infinite pattern, Aryan? Patterns that does not end after a few terms. Okay, children, is that clear? Is my audio and video clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, okay. Because Felix has said that I'm like maybe some Wi-Fi
Ma'am,
or
loud and
internet
clear.
connection. Okay, it's clear. So children, now we are learning today. We have discussed only patterns. We are learning chapter 2, patterns. And what is meant by pattern? It's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. And we have discussed natural. You know, natural, we have discussed the examples, zebra and the leaves and all. You remember, no? Natural patterns. And man-made, for example, for man-made, that window grills and stress, okay. Okay, in the tiles also we can see that patterns. That is artificial. Then we have discussed number pattern, for example, even numbers and odd numbers. And finite means that pattern end after a few terms. And if it is no ending, there is no end means infinite. For example, the numbers. But if you keep one condition like even numbers less than 10, even numbers.
Siddhi can't hear you.
Siddhi? I think all other children, if you can hear me, can you please raise your hand? Can you hear me?
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
I can't hear you.
Children, it's raining today. I think some network issue, Wi-Fi, you know, network connections problem maybe. Okay. See, many children, they can hear.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. Maybe some disturbance in between because it's raining. Okay. So children, what you have to do now, now we are going to learn. That day I have sent the notes, I think have you written, and in that we have written lines or patterns can be linear, circular or symmetrical. Linear means what? It's using lines.
Yes, ma'am,
okay.
we have written that.
Lines.
It's
that
like
means
this, right? One horizontal and vertical.
Vertical line, horizontal line, and circular maybe it's like rotational and symmetrical. And children, what do you mean by symmetrical shape? That object when you divided into two parts, they are equal parts. Last chapter in reflection we have discussed now already. What do you mean by symmetrical objects? Yes. Okay. So an object can be divided into two or more equal parts, and that is said to be symmetrical. And the line which divides these parts in object into two equal parts, they are called line of symmetry. And line of symmetry have another name, that is called axis of symmetry. What do you mean by
Ma'am, now you are stuck for me.
line of symmetry and axis of children? Maybe some network issue for some children. Okay,
Your voice is breaking down.
okay, so children, it will be okay in between, because I think it's raining, because of that some network. So children, what you have to please listen, we are learning what do you mean by symmetry. And in the last class we have already discussed what do you mean by pattern symmetry. So an object that can be divided into two or more equal parts, divided into two or more equal parts, that are called symmetry. If which line? The line divides the shape into two or more equal parts, that is called line of symmetry. Line of symmetry and axis of symmetry. Okay, children, line of symmetry, axis of symmetry. Then we have vertical symmetry and horizontal symmetry. I will show the screen, share the screen. Okay. Okay, so children, is it clear now? Can you hear me now properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so we were discussing what symmetry and the line of symmetry, and line of symmetry is also known as axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. And what do you mean by line of symmetry? Who can say the line which divides the object into two equal parts?
Equal parts.
The line which divides an object into two
Two
equal parts, that is called
Where both parts line of
line of
symmetry.
symmetry, or this line of symmetry is also known as axis of symmetry. Axis
Axis
of
of
symmetry.
symmetry.
And children, we have vertical symmetry. In last reflection, we have already discussed now in that A, how you can divide A into two equal parts, one left part, one right part. Yes? When you divide, for example, A, letter A alphabet, yes, we can make it into vertical line. So one vertical line, what you can make vertical line? One line divides the shape into two identical parts, two equal parts, one to the left, one to the right. Those type of symmetry is called vertical line of symmetry. Understood? What is vertical line? Equal left and equal right. So what will be horizontal? Who can say?
Water line.
Huh? Top and bottom. Yes? Top and bottom halves. Top and bottom halves. Children, can you
Ma'am,
hear?
you're stuck for me, ma'am.
Huh? Who can see me? Manjima, can you see me and hear me properly? Yes? Okay, Manjima. See, children, maybe some network issue in some your houses, because it's raining. Who can see me and hear me? Raise your hand. Thumbs up. Show me. Yes.
Ma'am, I can see you
because,
and all, but stuck.
stuck. Okay, baby. A network issue because it's raining. That's why.
Sometimes you are stuck, but other times you are okay.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes you are stuck.
Okay, children. So, okay, very good. So what you have to do, what we are discussing now, it's vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Who can say one alphabet with vertical line of symmetry? I told A. Don't take A. Any other alphabet that shows vertical line of symmetry. Yes, Srihari.
A.
O.
A.
Okay. Okay, very good. H.
X.
I.
M.
I.
Okay.
Ma'am, I.
Yeah, okay, okay.
I.
You understood what is vertical line of symmetry. Okay. Horizontal means that line divides the shape into two parts. One
Ma'am, you are stuck.
top and one bottom. And
you are
the
stuck.
top
Ma'am, you are stuck.
bottom are
stuck.
Ma'am, your voice
Ma'am, you are
is
stuck.
breaking down.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
see children maybe because it's I told you know that in the from yesterday that power because of the rain power is not there, so we are using inverter, no, maybe because of that. Okay, in between it will be, it's okay now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children,
Sometimes your video is in black and your voice is breaking.
breaking. Maybe because of network issue because it's raining, no? Yeah, from yesterday night. Okay, so children, can you say one example for horizontal line of symmetry in which alphabet?
O.
O. Or we can use
O.
both.
M.
Very good. Both.
D.
D. Okay, D.
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 D. D.
Okay.
D.
E. Okay. So you did you understood what? Okay, children. So did you understood by what do you mean by vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
But
One
in some letters we have both vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line. Can you say one example for that?
O.
O. O we can make H. Okay. H also both vertical and
I.
vertical and
I.
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 J.
Okay. So children, can you please take your
J.
can you please take your workbook?
Okay, ma'am.
Please take out your workbook.
Gain power failure. Like power.
Who's singing? Who's singing over there? Okay. So question number 4. Children, we have done till question number 3. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
1 minute. I will call one by one. Children, I will call one by one. I will call one by one. Okay, Tanvi, can you read question number 4? Tanvi, please read question number 4.
Ma'am, can you tell another one to read? I am going to take my workbook.
Oh, you're going to take only. Children, in math period, you have to be ready with your math books. Okay. Manjuba, can you read question number 4?
Patterns can be linear, circular, or dash.
Patterns can be linear, circular, or what?
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical. Yes, patterns can be. Yes, patterns can be linear, circular, or symmetrical. Manjuma, can you please say the option?
Asymmetrical, triangular, symmetrical, rectangular.
Tell me which option is correct, A or B or C or D?
Symmetrical.
Option number, which option is symmetrical?
Option C.
Option C. Okay, children. Option C. Tanvi, patterns can be linear, circular, or symmetrical. Page number 12. Page number 12.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
Ma'am,
can I read?
Now I will mute everyone. That's otherwise nobody will
Ma'am, can I
understand
read
what.
the one? Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
I will call one by one. See, if everyone say together, nobody will understand what we are saying. That's the problem. Okay. Now, let me see. Tanvi, now ready. Question number 5. Please unmute. Unmute.
The patterns that continue endlessly are called infinite patterns.
Patterns that has no end. That is you mean by continue without end. That is mean by continue endlessly. So if there is no end, that patterns are called which one? Tanvi?
Infinite.
Infinite. Can you
Infinite.
say the option?
Option A.
A. Very good. All the children, please mark it. Of the patterns that continue endlessly. That means patterns that continue without any end. They are called infinite patterns. Okay. Question number 6. Arpida, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Please read question number 6.
Dash can have vertical or horizontal lines of symmetry.
Lines of symmetry. I think there is some network issue over there. Rudra, please unmute and speak. Yes, Rudra, please read question number 6 again.
Dash can have vertical or horizontal lines of symmetry.
Okay. Read all the options, Rudra.
Natural
Natural objects,
numbers,
artificial objects,
all of these.
all of these. Which will be the answer?
All of
Dash
these.
can have vertical or horizontal. All of this, very good. Okay. See, children, natural objects. We can have horizontal or vertical. Very good. Numbers. Look at numbers. Some numbers have vertical line. Some numbers have horizontal. For example, 3, 8, and all have horizontal. Yes. And number 1 also we have horizontal. And
Ma'am, can you
artificial
get the
objects.
first question answer? I didn't
Huh?
write it.
Which one?
First question.
First or 4?
First. Fourth.
4, no? Patterns
Yes.
can be linear, circular,
Is it
or
C?
symmetrical. C, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Symmetrical. Okay. So children, question number 6, all of these, because we have vertical and horizontal line of symmetry for natural objects, for artificial objects, and for numbers also. All of these have vertical or horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, children? Understood? So question number 7. Sarah is feeling sleepy. Sarah, now please unmute because it's raining and it's very good to sleep now. Yes, that's why some children, they're feeling very sleepy. Okay, Sarah, please read question number 7.
The figure triangle has a dash line of symmetry.
Yeah, which line of symmetry for this? We have learned now.
One.
Vertical.
One.
The question is vertical or horizontal. We have discussed now. We have learned now.
Vertical.
Vertical. Understood, children? We have discussed now vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. This triangle has which line of symmetry? It's vertical. Can you please say the spelling, Sarah?
VERTICAL.
L. Vertical. Very good. Vertical line of symmetry.
Symmetry.
Izan, please unmute. Izan and read question number 8. This is Izan, can you read question number 8?
The figure horizontal.
It's like arrow. Yes. Which
The figure has dash line of symmetry.
Which line of symmetry for that?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Very good. Children, can it be a vertical line? No, because that arrow, it's like pointing. If you make horizontal line, then only we will get equal top and equal bottom. we will not get
Got
equal
it.
left or equal right. So it has
Right.
horizontal. Horizontal. Izan, please tell the spelling. Please unmute and say the spelling of horizontal. Izan, yes. Horizontal spelling.
H
H
O
O
R
R
I
I
Z
Z O
Z O
O yes
O
T
R
A L.
I Z
N
O N
N
T
T
A
A
L.
L. Okay, very good. Horizontal. Have you completed?
Yes.
Horizontal line of symmetry. In
Horizontal.
question number, Manav, can you read question number 9? Please unmute Manav. Unmute Manav.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Question number 9.
Yes. Okay,
Manav,
ma'am.
read question.
In dash symmetry, an object or shape is divided into equal left and right halves.
Equal left and right. In which type of symmetry?
Vertical.
Vertical. Very good. Children, it's equal left, equal right. That is vertical line of
Vertical.
symmetry.
Vertical line of
Vertical line of symmetry.
symmetry.
Okay. So
Ma'am, there is not line off. So in the dash, I write vertical line off.
in vertical symmetry also, vertical line of symmetry also it's correct. So we can say it's vertical also. Okay, vertical symmetry. That's enough. Okay, we have discussed two types of symmetry: vertical symmetry and horizontal symmetry.
Vertical
But
symmetry, horizontal.
the line that divides the shape into equal left and right, that line is called vertical line of symmetry. So here we can write vertical only. No need of line of vertical symmetry. Okay, children. Vertical symmetry. Now, question number 10.
What
Danvin,
are
can you please read question number 10? Danvin, please unmute.
Has the same shape and size.
Danvin, one more time unmute. One more time. Okay.
What are such objects called if each half of them has the same shape and size as the other?
We are discussing about which type of objects. What are such objects called if each half of them has the same shape and size as the other? Which type of objects we have? Symmetrical and asymmetrical. We are learning about which type of objects now? Symmetrical objects. Okay, children. The objects which have each half of them has the same shape and size. Those objects are called symmetrical objects. Can you write symmetrical objects? S-Y-M-M-E. Symmetrical.
Ma'am, we should write symmetrical object.
We have to write symmetrical objects. S-Y-M-M-E-T-R-I-C-A-L. Symmetrical objects. So the objects that have means object that can be divided into equal halves. They are called symmetrical objects. Children, can I give you homework for 13 and 14? Please
Yes,
draw
ma'am.
an object with a horizontal line of symmetry and draw an object with a vertical line of symmetry. Understood? But children, you have to remember when you draw each part, if equal left and equal right should be equal. And vertical line?
Ma'am, can you tell 11 to answer?
11 and 12?
11.
Huh?
Ma'am, 11th answer.
11 and 12 I didn't say. I am giving you homework question number 13 and 14. 13 and 14. Children, question number 11 and 12 also we can complete. Yes. How many axes of symmetry does the given object have? We have both vertical and horizontal. So how many lines of symmetry? We have 2. Question number 11 is we have that circle. We have both vertical line and horizontal line. So how many lines of symmetry it has? 2 lines of
Two
symmetry.
lines
Question
of
number 11.
symmetry.
Question number 11.
We should.
We can write that also now. I
We
think
should draw, right, ma'am?
only write. I think children, the time is up because we have another class now. I have another class in another. So children, how many
Next
lines of
class
symmetry?
is for
Next class we can discuss all
extra.
this. I have prepared one PowerPoint, but now no time. I will show you in the next class. Okay, that line of symmetry and vertical line of horizontal. I didn't show you the PowerPoint. Okay, I will show you in the next period. What you have to do?
Okay,
Homework. Can you say which homework? Glenn, can you tell me please?
13 and 14.
Which one? 13 and 14 is
13 and
homework.
14. 13 and
One, any you can draw circle or square, rectangle, triangle, but one should be vertical, other should be horizontal. Okay, children.
Horizontal.
Okay. So 13 and 14, can you do?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So now
ma'am.
it's
Ma'am,
time.
11.
Okay. That we can discuss later. Now it's the time to wind up the session. Okay, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.